that same style of cooking, I will make the vegetable dish which I made for everybody the next day, and everybody enjoyed that dish. So that is the beauty of this hour, that you not only introduce your own culture. Now with all the hosts which I was saying in the morning, whatever yoga, primary yoga I knew, I used to teach them, and that was my sharing or giving back to the host for their stay, food, and sightseeing. This is a lady from Stuttgart, and she was kind enough to. This is of course in Baroda. She came to visit us. She came to India and then she came to our home. She hosted me in Stuttgart when my trip in Europe started. This is in Krakow, where you can see I am teaching the morning yoga and pranayam. This is a group which came recently doing Garba, and this is you can realize it is the fine arts faculty where I have taken them to see the Garba. This is the Jana from Slovakia, but studying in London. She is the host in Patna. There are a few photographs I am having. Friends, I am a doctor, and whenever I suggest any treatment or any drug or chemotherapy, it is my duty that what are the side effects or what are the possible side effects. So I am going to say what is the flip side. I am not just going. I have just up till now I have talked about the everything positive. But as a mature man, as a man with the experience of the world, we should also know what can be the flip side. So the flip side, are by and large, is very minimal. Of course, I will not say it is zero, but because if you go on the net, you may find certain videos or certain YouTube which does give some negative image, but we are not very sure how far they are true or what is the truth. By the way, the website has got their own internal mechanism to rectify if there is an issue between the host and guest or some negative comment. Right? They can ask for the explanation. The one can be given for the explanation. So they have got their own mechanism also to address these issues. Now, one of the things is the identification issue, right? So, by and large, nowadays with the Facebook and all kinds of social media, it is easy to have a lot of photographs, see a lot of photographs, addresses, and things like that. And of course, you can politely ask for the copy of a passport, just in case you have got any doubt about the identification of the person who has come to you. When you are new on this website and when you don't have the references or friends, then the response will not be there or it will be poor. Or when you go as a wanted to go as a guest, you will also not get the response. So friend, whenever you get an opportunity, always get a reference on your profile, because this works on the these references. References given by the person determines whether you can be a likely host or likely guest. So reference is a must. For that, you should have a complete profile, if possible an interesting profile. You should have a photo, and if nothing, then you can have a references from the local member, so that at least there are few members watching for you, about you, your personality, about your truthfulness. And if suppose that person has got more references, in a way it reflects on you also. So get the references, otherwise it is very difficult to get the response. Then sometimes what happens, the people may agree with you, but there can be no so. So insist on calling 24 or 48 hours before actual date. Insist on the number if they have come in India, so then you can also contact it. Because anything can happen during travel. logistic problem can happen, right? They may come early, they may come late. So all these things can happen if there is a poor communication. Sometimes there is a language barrier also, because people from European countries, Russian countries, they don't have so much good English. So there is a difficulty in understanding each other because of the language barrier, or sometimes introvert personality. And you will just feel that somebody has come to your place just to stay. See, after somebody has come to you might, he or she may not write a reference. So you can always send a reminder to them to write a reference. Right? With women, there can be gender issues. That's why the women member generally write that you would like to have a female member. Right? There can be unpleasant experiences regarding smoking, food, non-veg, veg. So you should, in your profile, you should be very clear that you will always like I have written only veg food, no non-veg cooking, no smoking in the house, and no drugs, no alcoholic beverages. So you should be very specific, and you should see that the guests understand that and follow that. As I said, that internal mechanism is there in the website for the thing, personal habits. So friends, I have come to the end of my talk, and what kind of message, take-home message I am giving you, I am sharing with you. My message is, if travel and meeting people are your passion and hobbies, then probably you come to the right website, right? It can help you to meet the people either in your home or wherever you are traveling. Even if you don't go and stay with them, you can meet in their town, go for a coffee or lunch or dinner, and thus make friends, and as they say, that make a little smaller. So one can expand the boundaries of travel and traveling experiences. Sometimes when you want to travel to foreign countries, they ask for some accommodation, right? Either hotel room or thing. But if you have got a couch surfer letter or email that he has agreed to accommodate you, that helps. Like it has helped me to get H1 visa when I was traveling to Germany in 2012. It can help you to develop your hobbies. If you want to learn some language like French, German, Chinese, you can meet the right person and maybe some cuisine, art and craft. By meeting the local members and like-minded friends, you can expand your friend circle for get-together, excursions, sharing of hobbies. So look for also for friend in a new place for guidance, travel. Even if nothing else, then at least if you know somebody, if you got his number, you can always call him for some guidance, some travel thing. Like for example, I would like to give an example that when I was in Europe, in Krenchberg, I had to decide my return flight from Poznan to Munich, and it was very difficult for me to book on the net because they was not accepting my credit card, and I was really frustrated that what to do. And here comes my host came to my rescue, and he booked by using his credit card, and then I paid to him. Otherwise, sometimes you are stranded for such small reasons. So look for serious friend in a new place for guidance, travel, meet up or coffee. Be safe and make this world a better place for us and coming generation. Thank you very much for taking this time.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have two questions to ask.
Please.
The first is on the website we have the payment verified.
Okay. Now long back, maybe about 7-8 years back, they have started this system of asking for something like $9.99. That is their way of confirming that it is not a fake account or it is not a thing. At that time, it was not a must.
It is not a must.
It was not a must. It is also not a must today. So if you can pay to them, right, they will write a verified member. They have asserted about your genuineness, which is now not there. But now they have started the system of telephone verification, then the address verification, right? They have started, but it is still not a must. The most must is a reference.
And there are some boards, like I came across one in Bangalore Dutch, near Dharamshala.
Bangalore Dutch,
And
yeah.
the reference people said that the host did not directly ask for money.
Okay.
But at the time when the guest was leaving, they said that you can contribute something on a per day basis, something like that. So they gave money to the host. So how can we deal with these people?
So first thing that by principle and by the spirit, the cow surfing activity, there is no exchange of money, right? Because when you owe somebody, you do it out of your gratitude, and when you receive it, you also do it for the free, right? But suppose after meeting, suppose somebody says that the cost of the but either what happens that if you are eating a food, then the guest would get something from market to compensate.
Exactly.
And not only that, the guest will also carry some gift to the host.
But that should be out of the guest's own wish.
No, by and large. See, these were all unwritten protocols of decorum.
Exactly.
Right? So, if all these things are not decided, it is not good. But as I told you, that this thing can happen. A little thing here and there, some deviation can happen. Right? So, one has to be, I'm very sure, he must not have asked for a lot of money.
No, he did not ask for so much money. But there was one lady in Calcutta who asked for around the same amount which I could have paid for the hotel.
Okay, now then there is an internal reversal mechanism. You can write about this member to the website owners and website management, and they will put this lady, either they will remove his profile or they will give on or not. Yeah. So there is an internal mechanism to address these kind of issues.
When we create a profile and before becoming a host or a guest, how do we get the reference?
Oh, that's like it's like an agent and agent. Well, as I told you, the best way that we find out the local members. Like my friend Anand, he made recently, and he made me a friend. So immediately I gave a reference to him.
Okay.
So what is the best way is find out the local council, right? You meet them either in a council meeting or maybe or you can write to them. Then make them friend first, and then ask them to give a reference. So if there are suppose 10 or 5 or there already you will have 5 references for the local people. Yeah? And for that you don't have to host or guest, right? You have to just request or you just meet, right? And then you have to wait, right? Either when you are traveling, then you look for host, right? And it is not like that if you don't have a reference, you will not get host or you will not get a guest. It depends upon what kind of profile you have created, what kind of hobbies you have created, what kind of things you have written in your facilities you have written, right? Yeah. So if your profile is positive, it gives a positive feeling to a reader. Then you will get a host or guest. And it's not that the people will not come to you as a guest if you are a newcomer. If you are a newcomer, you are a newcomer, right? You have to cut your teeth sometime. And so once you get 1, 2, 3, 4, then your chances of getting are more high. Like he got a very good response in Europe, which is amazing for any standard. Of course, my German friend always gave credit to me that Europeans love Indians They love the yoga. They love the Indian food.
Yeah.
So you have to in your approach, you have to show that you are willing to share something with you. Right?
Sir,
You are not just looking for just staying and saving on the hot air. Right? Because try to understand that always understand the people are by and large all people, including us and they, foreigners or Europeans. They are all people smart. They will immediately understand what is your motive. Right? Now with the Facebook era, the things are please.
So when you're planning for a long tour, for example, the Europe tour you wanted, how advanced was the planning stage?
Almost 4 months.
Okay.
4 months.
Okay. So the couch surfer who are your hosts, okay, they do plan 4 months well in advance?
Yeah, you can start writing to them 4 months in advance.
Okay.
Because like a few of the members on that trip was from the hospitality club, where there is a running forum where you can put your request, general request. Similarly, also now in Couchsurfer also you can put what is known as the public request. Public request. So people will you don't have to contact each member. People will respond on their own. Okay, you are coming like this lady from Red, Austria. When she read that I am from Gujarat, Baroda, she said that are you going to give me dhokla or not? So this is the way the world works, right? That we have to understand that the people who are into it are knowledgeable, sensible, sensitive, and we have to always promote this kind of culture. We have by and large, the average Indian tourist. I am not talking about traveler, average Indian tourist anywhere in the world, right? Without sounding very negative, we have to sometimes we have to we don't have to go with that process. We have to be a responsible traveler. We have to be sensitive citizen to the people we are meeting, right? Like I forgot to mention that whenever you stay with the host, always help in the cooking if they are preparing anything. Always help to clean the vessels. And if not that you eat the dinner and then you go to bed. I am sharing you very nice experience that in my life I have never cleaned the toilet. But in this Europe trip, what happened? That naturally I and my German friend Martin, and of course we were staying in sharing the same thing. And after I used it, he literally called me. I had flushed it. He said, no, you have not cleaned it thoroughly. You take that brush in your hand, do the cleaning. Believe me, I mean, I did it, but from that day I realized that what kind of things which we have to learn. And for the first time in my life, I learned, and after that my wife has got no complaint. You don't know. So, friends, you will learn a lot when you travel with people, when you interact with the people of different culture, language, right? If you ask anybody who has gone to Paris or France, and first thing they say, French लोगों को बहुत कम है, बात ना करें. After we पूछे ना job ना पे आम चुए. Like that. It is how you talk to them, how you approach to them, how you interact with them, right? How polite they are. I'm sorry to tell you, but the politeness is something which somehow difficult to change. Whenever a group of people travel in a group, conducted tour, you see the people, how they talk to receptionists. So, that we have to learn. And how the people in other parts of the world interact with each other.
So it is like vis-a-vis. Some of the foreigners have very bad impression for the Indian. You getting it?
Yeah.
If they really meet the Indian, let's take example of yourselves. So they'll change that mentality, typical mentality. Most of the foreigners, like India, full of litter, people not having
of
manners.
course, yeah.
And this and that. It's a vis-a-vis.
That is the thing, that when you travel as an Indian in a foreign country, you are kind of an unofficial brand ambassador for your country. Right? You promote your Indian values, Indian culture, your Ayurveda and values and positive thing about India, and try to, as such, a knowledgeable foreigner knows a lot about India. Right? And you have to promote that thing with them in order to balance the negative image or whatever it is there. Right? And as I said, we are talking in general English, right? But there can be plus and minus here and there. This is general speak talks we are doing. But yes, you can change the perception of them. Those who have got who have got some negative image.
And sir, from your experience, how much time would the host community give to you when you are staying with them?
How much time
The host community would give you when you are staying with them?
how much time?
Yeah.
Now see, generally on their profile it is written that how many maximum days you can stay, right? So generally it is from 1 to 3 days, generally, right? Like in my profile I have written on 3 days. So you have to plan that way, that either you have to stay 1 day, 2 days, maximum 3 days. After 3rd day you have to think. Suppose if you want to stay longer, or sometimes what happens that you become so friendly that they would like you to stay longer, then you can stay. Or you would like to stay longer, then you can say them that before advance. Or sometimes what they can do, they can shift it to some other cow center. Right? If you like for example, we wanted to stay only 3 days in a place called Keksamit in Hungary. But somehow we become so friendly, the family and all these things. And they have got in their 30 kilometer away village, there is a small house in a place called Karakram. They wanted that now you stay here, we don't mind, we can stay here a month also, star. So we stayed for almost 5 days, 2 days more. So this thing can happen. But as we were traveling by road, we could always change our itinerary to accommodate 1 day here and there. Like the lady Yana, she was in Rajasthan and there was a heavy rain. So she phoned me that there is a heavy rain here and I want to leave it 1 day earlier. Is it okay? I can come? I said, you come, no problem. So this type of things do happen. And but generally it is written how many days maximum you can stay. Because this is not for the long term stay. And another thing that like for a long term I am telling you, long term is really long term. If somebody is staying less than 180 days, and if they on their passport it is stamped that local registration is not required, because they have come with certain visas, like student visas or medical visas or research fellow visas, and if their passport is stamped that local registration is required, then we have to see that they do it. Either they should have done it, or we should see that they have done it. But by and large, normally, less than 180 days, local registration is not required when it comes. But generally, they are going to stay for not more than, as I said, 2 to 3 days, so that issue doesn't arise.
Worst experience?
Well, unfortunately, the worst experience that people not turning up, for me, I am talking, not turning up, or people changing the host at the last moment. That is my worst experience. So it's okay. I never had even neither from the guest side or neither from me as a host side, I never get worst experience. Yes.
Since you mentioned about this visa,
Yeah.
the question is about visiting America,
Okay.
USA.
Yes.
When you apply for the visitor's visa,
Okay.
do you, in the reference column, you have to mention who is inviting you, your sponsor.
Okay.
Now, do you mention he is your couch surfer? Will they accept that category of people as a host?
No,
This is
no.
question
Ah,
number
no,
one.
no, just
Sir,
that.
this is question number one.
Let me answer this question.
Second question.
See, let me answer this question. See, as one of See, one of the requirement, I'm not talking of the
I'm
USA.
talking about America. He's
No, not America. No.
I'm talking about
No,
specific.
I mentioned about my experience of Europe. And as you understand, I'm a doctor, I'm not a big guy. Probably I will not be able to answer.
Because I've been to America 4 times in the last 18 years.
Okay.
And I've seen, if you asked a stranger his name, I was very lucky, R.R. Patel. Because I spoke to him on the car, instead of the nameplate number, it was R.R. Patel written. And he came and almost hit me. So I said, Patel, su karo so? And we started speaking and I almost became friends with him. And asked him about from where you are and all that. At the end of the talk, he said, in America, never ask anybody about anything because half of them might be unauthorized. No, the point is, question number 2 is about India. Now, in the police department, or is there a requirement to register with the police department that you are a couch surfer? Is the second
No.
question.
No.
Is the second question. I just put you can answer it the way you want. What is the
No, I
question?
understand. No.
Sorry to interrupt. His question is almost final question all the time. I take it that all questions are over now. I take it that way. And huge round of applause for. सर आपका क्वेश्चन आखिरी में होता है थैंक यू सो मच इट सॉल्व्स माय प्रॉब्लम एंड वी शुड नाउ फाइनलाइज दिस डॉक्टर साहब I was not expecting such a nice talk, let me tell you, and you have given now new dimension to future trending for all of us. And we didn't know that we could explore this much, it has got this much of potential. And thank you all the members who have educated us through their questions. Thank you very much. Suppose you are the better half.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thanks to madam for inviting him. Thanks to madam for inviting him.
Yes, I am doing that. I am going to invite her here. Abhi madam, thank you very much. Can I request you to please honor Dr. Saab with a small token of appreciation? Madam, you can please also join. Yeah, please join.
When you're the better half, you have to be there. Okay, thank you very much. That was a wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All of you.
All our events are powered by RR7. Next FET is on 7th of April on disruption. This we are now trying a new, you can say method or new thing in the talk. We are having 3 speakers this time on 7th of April. That is Raini Salman, Abhinav Deep and Milan Bhatt. Time would be same 6:30. I will request all the members and audience to be in time so that we can start the talk in time.
This is actually the winning teams of the annual awards for outstanding young managers. So 3 of the winning teams by turns will be making their presentation. This is on disruptive innovation, which was one of the topics.
Yeah. Thank you. And in upcoming MDPs, we have MDP on